Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. If your dishwasher starts but stops before it cleans the dishes, then there's a problem with the startup sequence. It could be a faulty door switch, pressure sensor, an issue with the water valve, or even a problem with the drainage. In this episode, first, we'll learn how the startup sequence works. Then, we'll troubleshoot each problem. Thank you to Frigidaire for sponsoring this video. Let's begin. Keep in mind, there is some variation between models, and not all dishwashers will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website. This will bring up a model breakdown with the exact replacement parts listed on the side. There are several conditions that must happen in the startup sequence for the dishwasher to begin. First, the door latch must engage the switch to verify that the door is closed. Next, the control board powers up and does a self-check. If there's water in the tub, then the drain pump will run to purge the system. Next, the inlet valve fills the tub with fresh water. The water level is determined by a timed fill or verified through a float switch or a pressure sensor. Then the circulation pump engages. If any of these conditions are not met, then the dishwasher will not start a wash cycle. The door latch has a switch that signals to the control board that the door is closed. If the switch is faulty and the control board thinks that the door is open, then the cycle will stop. You can inspect the switch for any mechanical damage and test it with a multimeter. You can see more in the video linked below. If the tub fills with water, but it stops right after, then it could be a faulty switch. In some models, a pressure sensor monitors the water inside the tub. A faulty sensor might signal that the tub is still empty, which prevents the cycle from advancing. Other models have a float switch that trips when the water level gets too high. A faulty float switch can also interrupt the startup sequence. Additionally, if the circulation pump fails, then the tub will fill, but the cycle will not continue. You can learn more in the videos linked below. If there isn't any water filling the tub, then the water valve might be faulty. As it attempts to fill, the cycle will stop if the sensor is not verifying a full tub, or if it takes too long. Additionally, a blocked water line can also prevent the tub from filling. You can see more in the video linked below. If the tub is not draining properly, then it will stop the cycle from advancing. If the drain pump runs, but it doesn't drain, then there could be a blockage. Now, if the pump doesn't run, then the motor has likely failed. You can see how to access and replace this in the video linked below. If you found this episode helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And when you need a replacement part, you can get it online or in one of our AMRE Supply branches. Thanks for watching.